Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Suzana binti Muhammad Muhammadi, and my message number is 211-292-558. Okay, so today I would like to present about mini project management. So first slide is students. Okay, so introduction. First important of transmission line, and the third one is planning and executions. And for important and and businesses. Okay, so for project components is a high voltage power line and substation to convert electrical energy from high to low voltage. So this require permits and regulatory approval and right of way acquisitions. And the third one is for planning and executions. Planning and execution involve road selections, design, and constructions. So this utilize advanced technology like automations, monitoring system, and sensor to enhance efficiency and reliability. So for the last, community impacts. So community impact ensure a stable and reliable power supply, supporting populations and business growth. So this can boost local economy and improve quality of life by reducing transmission losses and power outage. Like example, transmission line that we choose is from one Kalian Kaki Bukit Perlis to Kanga Perlis. We can look at figure 1. So next, project of transmission line by spotted the area of transmission in Peninsula Malaysia. Yes, for transmission line project overview, first is scopes. For the scope is building and setting up high voltage power line to transport electrical energy across great distance. And next is components, which is high voltage power line supported by tower or poles, and substation to convert high voltage energy into low use. And for the third one, which is permit and approval. So this require necessary permits, regulatory permissions, and acquisition of right of way. So project detail which locate into the Peninsula Malaysia. And this road for 25 kilometer stretch from Wang Kelian Kaki Bukit Perlis to Kanga Perlis. So uh, this implementation and consideration planning is to meticulous planning, scheduling, and coordinations are crucial for smooth implementation. So this obtain right of way, environmental consideration, and adherence to safety regulations. So we can look at figure 1. Okay, so this figure 1 show the location selected for the transmission line for constructions. Okay, so this is a project organization chart. So the organization chart for the transmission line project is structured as follows, which is the project manager is Nur Shatira binti Muhammad Saifuddin, which needs to responsible for overall project management, ensuring all aspects are on track and objectives are met. And next is engineering manager team, which is which is me, Human Resource Manager, that I focus on recruitment specialists and training coordinator to ensure the project has the necessary human resource. And the last one is, and the second last is financial manager. So, No Amira binti Ali oversee the financial aspect of the project, including accountants and financial analysts, ensuring the project budget and financial health. And the last one is construction manager, which is his name is Navin Analaki Balan. Leads the construction effort, supervising site supervisor, construction crew, and subcontractor to ensure the project is built to specification and on schedule. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Samia binti Muhammad Sri. My number is 211292345. So I will present about network diagram of the transmission project, which is our project. This organization and project may benefit greatly from using network diagram to better understanding the interconnection and relationship among various parts of a structure. So, a clear and concise overview of the project task, milestone and activities is provided to managers, allowing them to understand the project's structure and make good preparation. So, network diagram are made up of two main components, which is nodes. Nodes is represent event or activities within the project. They are the fundamental units that describe the work to be done. The next is arrows show the relationships and interdependencies between nodes. They indicates the sequence in which activity must be complete. So, by arranging and connecting different components, the graphic show the event progressions and the critical path that control the project durations. From here, critical path, which is this is the sequence of nodes and arrow that represent the longest path through the network diagram. It determines the shortest possible duration of the project. So, as you can see from the network diagram, using network diagram, manager might identify potential bottlenecks, simplify procedure, and distribute resources sensibly. So, by seeing which tasks are dependent on which other in the flowcharts, they may set priorities accordingly. So, by understanding these components, project managers can effectively visualize the project structure, identify critical activities, and manage the project more efficiently. So, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Amira binti Ali. My number matric 211291023. So today, I want to continue the presentation. So my part at first, expected time. The expected time must be do the calculation based in the formula. So this is the formula. This is too easy to we get the total of critical part of the project. Second is calculate for standard deviation. The standard deviation must be to the calculation based in the formula. So this is the formula. Third is calculate of every single activity for get the critical part based on additional the before activity. And for this we get activity P, and the largest TE is 71 weeks. Last part is expected time project management when at 99.85%. At first, we need to do calculation TE from activity we get at critical part. This is from A, C, E, G, L, M, and P. So we get 75 weeks. Next, we need to do calculate the standard deviation from the activity we get at critical part. And after do the calculation, we get 2.36. The last part is we need to do the schedule fed based on the formula. So we get duration transmission project is 82 weeks. Thank you.
A very good morning to my lecturer and my fellow friends who are going to listen about this, and same as good to my friends in my group. So, okay, my name is Navin Balan. My metric card number is 2112911019. So today I would like to present about the estimated the cost for the project management. So for the first, the cost project is need to be estimated for the kilometers, because our project is already allocated around 140 kilometers. So for the length requirements of the transmission line is 35 kilometers for each, and the distance between each transmission line is 250 meters. Okay, and then the tower will be 3000 divided by 1000 times 1000 divided by 1000, change the kilometers will get 35,000 divided by the meter 250, so 140 towers. And the number of the holes that need to be dig, each tower is 4 legs. So 440 towers times with 4 legs will be get 560 holes. So one tower is equivalent to 4 legs for get it a stable line. And then for the amount of soil need to be dig is around 4 feet width and 30 feet depth deep. So length times width times deep equals to 4 times 4 times 30 equals to 480 cubes feet. So the cube meter is 1 feet equals to 0.0283, and the 480 square feet is around 13.584 meter. So and the concrete needed will be for the 560 holes is a size hole is 13.584. So it will be 564 times with 13.584, and will be get this amount 7607. And concrete each transmission line will be based on the current market. The price for ready mix concrete is around 274 ringgit and so per cube, and the value will be get around 7. So we times with the concrete needed is 7607.04 times with 274.10 equals to 2 million and 85,140. So these are the estimations of our projects, and then per units quantities. For this one will be the tower and the total per head. For the labor cost will be the per head and the work time quantity total. So for here the rental purchase quantities, durations of months and total, the maintenance cost for the crane, forklift, and so these are the total costs, and these are the overall costs for the each of the projects. So for the material cost, detail engineering cost, construction cost, labor cost, asset cost, every machinery cost, and others. These are the project. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Shatira binti Muhammad Saifuddin. Matrix number is 211292561. And today I would like to present about the depreciation of the crane. So the discussion of this outline is crane cost, second is cash flow diagram, and lastly the depreciation. First, the crane cost, we estimate about 2.25 millions of price of the crane, and we use 2 crane for these projects. So the total cost is 4.5 millions for the both of cranes. Next, cash flow diagram. So the price that we use for this project is 4.5 millions for the crane, and the years that we use the crane is 21 months, or approximate is 2 years, and the resale value for the crane is 2/3 of the cost of crane, which is a 4.5. the answer equal is 3 millions. So after 2 years, we will sell the crane, both of the crane at price 3 millions. So next is depreciation. So annual depreciation is DI is equal to N minus I plus 1 SOYD is stand for the sum of year digital depreciation times with the B minus S. So this is initial asset or the purchase value, which is 4.5 million. S is a residual asset or resale value, which is 3 million. And lastly, the SH is 2 years. So the SOYD, which is the sum of year digital depreciation, is 3 because we use this formula, and the N is 2. So 2 times in bracket 2 plus 1 divide by 2, so we get 3. So from the value SOYD, we can use in the depreciation formula. So D1 is a depreciation for first year. So 2 minus 1 plus 1 over 3 is equal, time with the cost of the crane minus with the resale value of the crane. So for the first year, we get 1 million. And the second one is 500,000. So from this table, we can see the depreciation in year. For the first year, DI is 1 million, and the second year is 500,000. So the total that can we depreciation, total depreciation of the year for the first year is 1 million, and the second we total we get the 1.5 million. So the lastly, the book value of the year is for the first year is 4.5 million minus 1 million, we get the 3.5 million. So the second year we subtract the value of the crane with the total depreciation. 4.5 minus with the 1.5 million, so we get the 3 million. So 3 million is the total of the cost of the crane that we get sale based on the year of our crane we use. So that's all from me. Thank you.